I'm the president of a hair and beauty company, and I asked Andrew to come in to help rebuild our sales process. Not only was I impressed with his ability to truly understand our customer and do the additional research to make sure that his recommendations made sense for our specific business, but he did an audit of our website and offered recommendations on how we can improve conversions. I highly recommend him. He was great.
Hey, I'm Matthew, a Chamber of Commerce executive. One of the things that we really needed was a way to increase our retention of members, a way to really engage with our membership, but also to reach new members in a creative way. And so I found Andrew, and just the interaction and the work he has done has been fantastic for us. It has really helped us develop a full sales pipeline. It has allowed us to gain new customers. We revamped our website into more of a sales funnel type website to attract new customers. Andrew is really helpful in doing that, really personable, really easy to work with, was able to help whenever we needed help. I highly recommend Andrew and his process and the way that he helps bring out the best in the simplest format possible. If you are looking at working with him, you will not be sorry.
Andrew came into our company and built a successful sales process out of almost nothing with somebody who doesn't like sales. I fucking hated sales. Not only do I not hate sales anymore, I actually legitimately enjoy the whole process. I look forward to it. And I feel fired up about it. Words I never, ever thought I would have said.
Hey, what's up? My name is Kim Price. I'm the CEO and founder of Anchor 619. When I say Andrew is different, the man is different. I'm not a fan of salespeople, and he is just different. He's not a standard sales bro. He's so kind. He's so generous. He wants to see your business grow, and he's really helped me push Anchor to another level. He's given us replicable frameworks, and on top of that, he's helped us with pitches, helping us to win funding in places and from people we never thought we could.
Hi, my name is Michael Blanco. I went to Andrew with a basic concern saying, hey, I think my marketing process is broken. Andrew literally took it and ran with it. He completely revamped our sales process, gave us all the tools we needed and then some to help us articulate that process, define it, and train on it. His deliverables were exceptional and extremely professional. Very grateful for the work that Andrew has done.
Hi, my name is Shalissa, and I run an online academy for corporate leaders. One area that we just can't seem to nail is our sales approach. I bought books, I registered in programs, I even hired a sales agency to help me, but nothing ever seemed to stick. And so that's what Andrew does. He helps me to develop a strategy that would work specifically for my business. He helps me to understand the nuances of sales and gives me the tools and resources that we need to put everything into action. And what I love the most is that he doesn't just tell you what to do, he actually works with you to develop what needs to be developed. And it's really hyper-tailored. He provides great ideas, support, feedback. We actually see Andrew as our head of sales. So if you're a business owner and you're looking for someone to help improve how your sales is working, I cannot recommend Andrew enough. You'll have a true partner in your corner and someone who's really absolutely committed to your success.
Hey, what's up? This is Bobby Adams, CEO of the Metropolitan Health Depot. Andrew is tremendous help to me grow my business, developing my business, and giving me keen insight about how to create winning strategies to create a winning business. When we think about Andrew, I think about someone who actually takes a genuine interest in your business when you bring it to him as a business consultant. And he takes that time. Everything that he has told me has allowed me to always look from a different perspective. I encourage anyone out there who's looking for a star business consultant who really knows the ins and outs, problem-solving solutions, innovative, digital, everything that you need. He does it with a sense of kindness, a sense of urgency, and professionalism that's pretty much unparalleled in this industry. Andrew, I definitely appreciate everything you're doing, my brother. Keep it up. I'm looking forward to a long-term relationship with you, my man. Take care.
The amount of value I have received in such an efficient amount of time as a small business owner was completely invaluable. It was one of the best investments I made this year, not only for my business, but for myself. I had gotten to a point where I felt like a total stick in the mud with direction and creativity. After this training, I am moving forward with a completely innovative vision as to how to move forward with my business.
Andrew has been such a great life coach to me. I met him at a very vulnerable, pivotal time in my life to where I was transitioning into corporate America. And I didn't quite know how to get there successfully. But Andrew, he took me under his wing. He taught me soft skills. He taught me how to network. He taught me how to be that guy in corporate America that he is. And he essentially made me an extension of himself, his character, his integrity, the way he presents himself in meetings, the way he negotiates, the way he represents people. It's just amazing. I can't say enough about this man. Anyone that gets a chance or an opportunity to work with him, I encourage you to do so. I am still reaping the harvest of the seeds planted in me 4 to 5 years ago. And I am forever grateful. Thank you, Andrew. God bless.